I'm literally dead. My hair. Oh. Duh, I have my passport on my bedside table. Because eating good food equals self-care. It's a little bit ghetto. I'm ready to glow up now, so let's go. Good morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. Today we are glowing the hell up. We're gonna look hot AF. I can confirm, guys, the time has come. I'm gonna be a quarter of a century years of age. That's correct. I'm gonna be 25 years old in less than 2 weeks, and the countdown is on. We need to glow up because we are pale, we are crusty. It's not the one. It's not the one. And 25 is meant to be our prime. My frontal lobe will have developed in a couple of weeks, so I'm meant to be the hottest I've ever been in my whole entire life. And currently, I'm not feeling that. So, of course, it means a series of glowing up. I actually also might be going away for my birthday. Undecided. It's not set in stone. I'm not saying it's happening. I'm not saying it's not. If it doesn't happen, it's fine. If it does, great. But it would be quite nice if I happen to be hopping on a plane to Palma. I shall not be complaining. So a lot of glowing up is going to be happening in the next couple of weeks. My birthday is in exactly 12 days time, and I'm praying I will actually be on a plane in a hot country before that time. So it does actually mean that I've got a little bit less time to glow up, technically before my birthday. So of course, loads of appointments are going to be happening. I've got quite a jam-packed day. So I've got my hair booked in at 9:30. I've got nails booked in at 12. And then afterwards, I'm going to go get a pedicure with my mama. And that's probably about 2 o'clock. So we're not messing about today. Loads of fun appointments. I'm really excited. I feel like this is going to be the first step of feeling an actual baddie, and I'm so excited for it. Other than that, it's just the classic brows and lashes. This time around, I'm not actually getting a lash lift done by my friend. I'm actually getting a little kit sent, and I'm going to do a little DIY at home, a little lash lift. So I'm praying it goes well, because if it doesn't go well, on my head be it. But I feel like this should be really fun. We're obviously going to tint our eyebrows. We're going to fake tan because what is this? What is this? I am a ghost. And just all the usual bits. Yeah, I'm literally going to go eat some breakfast, and then we're going to go head out and get our hair done. I don't really know what I'm going to have done to it, if I'm honest. Like, it's grown so much since I had it all cut off. Like, obviously this is my natural hair now. I don't have any extensions, and obviously it probably has grown maybe like that much. No, maybe like that much in 6 months, which I think is pretty good going. So we're gonna have a little bit of trim, because I haven't had it trimmed since I had it all done in October. It is starting to get a little split endy that, like, it just needs to be done. I don't want to do it because my hair's finally getting to a length that I'm like happy with, but I just know that the hair gods are telling me cut it and it'll be even better. So we're gonna have a little trim. I think we're gonna do some face framing layers. I don't like a fringe on me just because I have a cow's lick, so it just looks a bit weird, but I do like it when it's just a little bit shorter, that it kind of just, do you know what I mean? It's hard because I'm a serial hair tucker. I walk around like this, but if it's short enough that I can't quite tuck it behind my ear, it will look cute. But anyway, that's the kind of vibe we're going with. It is absolutely boiling at the moment. We are having a little heat wave in the UK. Like, it's like 23 degrees outside, and it is pure sun. It's stunning. Hence why I'm in like a little strappy top, because it's so hot right now. I'm ready to glow up now, so let's go.
Is your passport at the ready?
Yeah, duh. I have my passport on my bedside table, ready to go whenever I need it. Obviously.
Obviously, I love that.
I'm not that crazy.
Do you want that to sit?
Yeah, about there. When you have your hair done, this is like the ugliest stage.
That and having the,
like, you know it's gonna look good. Yeah, you know it's gonna look good, but right now I literally look like a drowned rat. Bye hair. Oh.
I haven't taken a lot off, to be honest.
Goodbye hair.
Love your new bag.
Ooh, the mousse. Give me the mousse.
I could work with them.
Oh, this looks so good.
Okay.
The fringe looks unreal. I just wish I could get my fringe like this. It's like the perfect length. It's like,
to get it, to dry it like that.
Yeah.
To sit like that. Blow dry it forwards over your brush. So get your
this
brush
way over and then roll it up.
and then roll it backwards.
Right, that's,
Yeah.
Because that just is like the perfect swoop. This is perfect. This was the vibe.
Yeah.
This was the vibe. It's time to go get rid of these crusty, dusty nails. These are literally like 4 weeks old. I'm in like holding off to get them done for this. And I also snapped one, so one's got like glue on as well. It's proper disgusting. Okay, so appointment number 2. Let's go get our nails.
To be fair, we're quite lucky to be fair. We don't just hello.
Good morning.
Guys, I can't breathe. It's a little bit ghetto.
These are probably the best nails I've ever had ever. I know I feel like I say that every time, but dead serious. Wait. Like aura nails and like an ombre. We've got like a literal 3D flower. Like actual 3D flower. I don't even know if the camera's picking it up. Like hibiscus on the side, a little starfish, a little shell and an ombre tip. Best nails I've ever had. The fact that these are my natural nails. Anyway, I'm running so late. I'm gonna go rush home and go, I literally look so sweaty. Go rush home and go grab my mum. And we're gonna go get our tootsies done. And probably grab a Starbucks because I really want a Starbucks so bad. So that's the lemon, that's cute. Even that's quite nice.
Nah, it's got to have a bit of...
Well, they're all very passive. The mint's quite nice.
Yeah.
Brush your toes, mum. So cute. Ta-da! So cute! Oh my god. Oh my god, so cute. They're so cute. Our feet were so soft, we actually just slipped and fell into a restaurant for dinner. We've just come into this place in Bournemouth. It's called Tap and Tandor. It's just like this like Indian like gastro pub thing. The food is so good. I came here on the opening night and yeah, we just popped in, grabbed some food because eating good food equals self-care. Good morning, gorgeous humans. Happy Sunday. I wasn't planning on coming on today. However, very last minute I was invited to this little Pilates wellness like vision boarding event literally in my local town. I decided to go and I thought, why not vlog it as part of the glow up series, just because it's technically glowing myself up from the inside. In my normal glow up videos I do always film me going to the gym, which I do anyway, but I thought this might be the perfect opportunity to include a little Pilates class, something a little different, very cute, like vision boarding, eating good food and also drinking matcha. Let's go to a little Pilates event.
Nice deep breaths, squeezing that core. Keep that 90-degree bend in your knee. Good, and then lean back and stretch. Perfect. Lean forwards, press, and lower back down. Exhale.
I'm literally dead. We are glowing, we are shining. That was so hard, but that was so good. If that's okay, can I just have a iced vanilla matcha with oat, if that's okay? Hey guys, bit of a random time jump. I don't suppose you're about to see me as soon as you are, but we're going to be doing our lash lift right now. It is actually, in fact, the exact same day as I was filming the event. It is still Sunday. Me and Dan have actually booked the holiday, and long story short, we're going on Friday. As in, like, I've got like 4 days to like get ready for my birthday and for the holiday. Yeah, haven't given myself much time, so it looks like we're doing the lash lift today. So basically I got this kit from Sassy Saint scent. It's really cute. It's like a little DIY at home little lash lifting kit. So I did used to do brows ages ago, so I do know how to use a lash lifting kit because it's literally the exact same stuff as doing brow lamination. I haven't done one for a very, very long time, so I'm definitely very much out of practice. I also have my favourite tint as well, and I think I'm just going to tint my eyebrows at the same time as tinting my lashes as well. So let's do it together.
Of course, number one thing we're going to do is we're going to read the instruction guides. That's very important. I put some glue on my lid and then stick the actual thing to it. Put on solution number 1, let that sit for about 7 minutes. We also do the exact same with solution number 2. You always want to make sure you're just putting it at the bottom of the eyelash, not covering the whole thing. You don't want to over process it. Then I just go in with my own tint and just tint it for 10 minutes. And this is literally the results. Like, guys, it literally looks insane. So of course I'm going to do the exact same on the other eyelash as well. And honestly, my eyelashes have never looked better. The best thing is it's so budget friendly and you can do it for the comfort of your own home. Honestly, I think it's low-key a little bit of a game changer. Of course, I'll link the kit in the description for you.
Honestly, I'm so happy with them. They literally look so good. Like literally, let's be real right now, the difference is insane. The fact that I was able to do this kit on my own at home as well, and my lashes look this good, like what? And my brows look so much darker, so much fuller. The fact I've literally got no makeup on right now is actually crazy because it doesn't look like it. Like I feel like I look already a million times better than what I literally did before I did this. Like it just changes my face with no makeup on, and I literally am obsessed. Happy Wednesday, besties. It is T-2 days until I'm going away for my birthday, and I'm so excited, and the final part of the glow up is happening as we speak. I'm literally in Dan's dressing gown right now, but I'm gonna go pop into the shower, I'm gonna wash the hair, we've got a hair mask in currently, and then I'm gonna shave the body. We are gonna be silky smooth, and then it's time to fake tan. You know it's everything shower time, so let's go. Good morning everyone. We have finally made it to the day before I fly, the day before my birthday trip. We're just in some comfies right now, but we are glowing, we are bronze, like a natural bronze. I didn't want to be like too fake tan like I normally am. I just want to be like a light fake tan. I have an actually fake tan, kind of fake tan, and it looks so good. Like I was literally filming some content this morning and I actually looked at myself and I was like, do you know what, I look really good. I felt really comfortable in myself, and I felt like this is how I'd want to look turning 25. I don't know what it is. We've hit the birthday glow up jackpot, but I thought I'd end the vlog here before me and Dan go away and we go and celebrate my birthday. So of course, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.